This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Mint Mobile SIM card. First, find your new Mint Mobile SIM card and the small SIM ejector tool. Power down your phone completely before proceeding. Use the tool to open your phone's SIM tray, then carefully place the new SIM card into the tray. Ensure it's seated correctly before closing the tray. Finally, power your phone back on to begin the activation process. Now that your SIM is in, it's time to activate your service. Download the official Mint mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose the Activate option. You'll need to enter the 11-digit activation code, which is printed on your new SIM card. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to finalize your account and plan details. This usually takes just a few minutes. In most cases, your phone will automatically configure the necessary APN settings for Mint Mobile. However, if you find your mobile data isn't working, you might need to adjust them manually. Go to your phone's network settings and look for access point names or APN. Create a new APN with Wholesale as the APN name and T-Mobile as the MNC. Save these changes and restart your phone. With everything set up, it's time to test your new Mint Mobile service. First, try making a quick phone call to a friend or family member to confirm your voice service is working. Next, send a text message to ensure SMS functionality. Finally, open your web browser and visit a website using your mobile data to verify internet connectivity. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Mint Mobile customer support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.